The Auto Gallery is thrilled to offer for sale this remarkable 2007 Ferrari F430 Spider. Finished in a narrow black exterior and narrow black Daytona style interior with red stitching, this 430 is simply one of a kind. The previous owner of this 430 Spider has put on a mere 11,653 miles, keeping it in excellent condition. Both mechanically and cosmetically, the vehicle is absolutely spotless. All services and campaigns are fully up to date. This is a very well-equipped 430, including the high-power hi-fi with subwoofer, carbon dashboard inserts, carbon fiber center console, carbon fiber rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors, red brake calipers, red instrument panel, Daytona style seats, and much more. This is a beautifully optioned 430 Spider in a gorgeous color combination. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. Please call us for more information. Buy with confidence only at the Auto Gallery, conveniently located at 24050 West Ventura Boulevard in Calabasas, California.